With just a press of a button, using scenes in the TuneBridge app lets you play your favorite music fast, where you want it, and at the volume you like, through your Autonomic audio system. Here's how easy it is to create one. First, scenes require favorites. Favorites can be created easily from the Now Playing screen, or from choices provided during a search. One way to create a scene is through the Zone Playback section at the top. Turn on the rooms you want to be included, select the content, and set the right volume level. Hit the icon that looks like a scene, name it, and then save. If you're a creature of habit, easily create a schedule to activate the scene. And even turn them off at the right time. The second way to create a scene is to go into Favorites at the bottom. Go to the Scenes section, hit the plus button, and name it. Then specify the rooms to include and the volume level you prefer. Finally, select a favorite to set as the content to be played. Take control of your audio today using Scenes with TuneBridge.